Witch Reviews, and today I am unboxing the LiveGlam ShadowMe subscription. So if you're not familiar with this one, this is LiveGlam does the Kiss Me. They have a monthly lippy collection, and then they have this bi-monthly ShadowMe. They also have the brush club. So this is $19.99 bi-monthly. Each box comes with 6 shadows. They're themed, like, so this is probably, I'm guessing, a fall theme. We're gonna open it up and find out together. I'm super excited. If you do want to see like a get ready with me, or like just to wear, you know, wear them or whatever you want, you let me know down below. Like this video, let me know. So anyway, you open it up. I really like, so right on top, they have this big piece of foam to protect the shadows, which is really cool. Curated eyeshadows every other month. We see the stars in your eyes. Isn't that pretty? So it says here, LiveGlam ShadowMe Marbled LA. This is our little pamphlet. Ooh, it tells us the colors and the names. Welcome to ShadowMe. Psst, no, not my plant. She's eating my plant. I don't like that. This month we are sending you to the City of Angels with 6 new shades that will have you shining brighter than the stars of Hollywood. Our first palette is influenced by sunny Southern California, where it all began here at LiveGlam. These neutral, matte, and shimmery shades will get you started on this exciting journey with us, and our rich pigments will have you feeling like $1,000,000. All right, so there's that, and here's our palette. So right here, if I can get it out, and then we'll swatch them and see what they look like. So it has like a slide out. I love this. Is this not pretty? It's like sparkly pink marbled. I know the color. It's like so gloomy here. It never stops raining. Apparently that's a new season in Southern Pennsylvania. And it's just so dark. Like, can we get some sunshine? But I love this. It's super pretty. It's like blue and pink. I don't know if you can tell. So we open it. Ooh, and it has, so this is not this is like a cardboard, a hard, sturdy cardboard outside. So this has a mirror, and it does have 6 pans here. So let's start with this lightest one, the Malibu. Can you see? It's going to be so hard to see because of this lighting. And then we'll move on to this second color here. This is Venice Beach. Ooh, that's real pretty. It's just a real subtle color, which I really like. The next one is Santa Monica. Now these are not, these are Southern California inspired, but I think these are great for fall. They're very like warm. Ooh, look at that. I love that. That's pretty. All right, then we have the City of Angels, which is a really pretty, I'm just trying not to get the mirror involved in this. This is a really shimmery. Ooh. That would probably also be really beautiful foiled. If you can you see it? I don't even know. I can. I don't know if it's showing up though. So there's that. And then we have Hollywood, which is another really shimmery shade right here. Ooh, I love that. It's like a copper. Oh, I like that so much. And then finally we have, ooh, where should I'll put it on this one. Ooh, I shouldn't have done that. Beverly Hills, which is a deep like plum. And there's that. That's pretty. I like those. Those will look so beautiful together. So that is the LiveGlam for October. If you're interested in a full review, like on video, like you know, putting it on and all that, let me know down below. I am gonna do a full review on my blog. So if you're interested in that, I'll link to that below. I will also link to ShadowMe, LiveGlam ShadowMe, with my affiliate links so you guys can check them out if you're interested. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!